In front of me is Honor 8, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select display, and here click on wallpaper and just pick set wallpaper, and you can either pick some online photo, something from your own gallery, or one from default photos. So here you've got them. If you have something in your gallery, you can choose it, and you can also pick a scroll picture if you want to. It's up to you. So let me pick, for example, maybe not this one. Maybe that one. And then tap on confirmation icon, and now you can either put it on your lock screen, home screen, or both of them. I'll pick both. Wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. As you can see, from now on, this brand new picture is covering both your home screen and also Honor's lock screen. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.